This short boom rod feels like a serious hardware upgrade, instantly turning a basic cymbal stand into a more flexible, turning point style setup without adding clutter. Its compact 12-inch arm is ideal for splash and effect cymbals, letting you place accents exactly where you want them while keeping your kit layout tidy. The swing nut style topper makes mounting and removing cymbals incredibly quick, which is a real time saver during setup, teardown, or fast changeovers on stage. A smooth, gearless tilter lets you dial in any cymbal angle you like without fighting preset teeth, giving very precise positioning for both studio and live work. The added key lock gives extra security so the boom does not slip even under heavy hitting, which inspires confidence for louder or more aggressive playing. Built around standard diameter hardware with Gibraltar's typically rugged construction, it integrates easily into most drum rigs and holds up well to regular gigging.